So you might be asking yourself, when is it time to replace my tires?
Oh, so many variables go into the life of your tire, like driving habits. Ha, right here.
You can go through tires from just general wear and tear on the road. If you're out off-roading like me, man, it is some rugged terrain out there. You're gonna beat up your tires.
How fast are we driving the vehicle? What kind of road conditions are you driving on? When we drove all the trucks through Africa for 2 months, 3 months at a time, we blew through that set of tires a lot faster than driving to work every day.
There's a few other reasons to replace your tires as well. Climate.
Damage can come from sunlight, UV, hot, cold temperatures.
All affect the performance of your tires and cause cracks and damage.
Also, if you've got a set of tires on your car or your truck that's over 10 years old,
It is time to replace them no matter how good they might look. And don't forget the spare.
So when we're talking about tire replacement, a lot of times we're talking about tread depth.
The US specs that it has to be at least 2/32 of an inch on your tread to still be safe on the road.
It's 1.6 millimeters. Isn't that easier?
well, General Tire's got a rad tech called the Replacement Tire Monitor, or RTM.
What it does is as the tire wears down, once it gets to the point of being need to replace, it will actually say replace tires.
Or you could use the penny test. Put the penny in the tread. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace the tire.
That's pretty simple.
Replace those tires immediately. Do not pass go. Go to your favorite General Tire dealership.
Or, of course, go to generaltire.com.